Okay, so hello Rocketeers. Welcome once again. We met yesterday. We are meeting again today because we have just amazing deal partners who keep, joining in every week to discuss their new deals, what they're working on. So today we have Mehdi from StoreGrowth, which recently launched Rocket Up, and I have to tell you that it has been one of the discussed entities because of its nature, which is a WordPress plugin. People use WordPress plugins, and those who have an online store running on WooCommerce, they would definitely love the tool he has built called a Store Growth. So Mehdi, first of all, welcome on Rocket Hub, and thank you so much for taking your time to talk to us. It's a great pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, Karan, for hosting me. It's my pleasure to be here with you.
Awesome. Okay, so Mehdi, let's begin with how you started Store Growth, why you started Store Growth, right? And what was your background? And of course, you have been a WordPress developer. Um, and how did this idea came into your mind? And of course, how did the idea of Store Growth came into your mind? So, if you can discuss this with us, that'd be awesome.
Okay, thanks for a nice question. And yeah, as a developer, I started my journey since 2013, and I have worked with so many projects and few reputed companies like Elegant Themes, Codable, TopTal, Lender.com. So in my career, I have noticed that people are suffering with like speed optimization and too many license management, buying too many licenses. Even I have seen that a plugin just solving a single feature or a single purpose, and that is being sold and managing license. So what was my intention that when I started my company Inviso in 2023. So literally Inviso is a agency as well as we develop product. So we're running parallelly. So my intention to develop Store Growth was that making multiple tools in on platform so that people don't need to install too many plugins, because using too many plugins makes websites loading issues, and also as well as there have sometimes might be security issues because few plugins might have security issues. So people just can gather like 20 or 30 modules in on plugins. So what will happen that it will be a miracle and magic that you don't need to search or install 30 or 20 plugins when you're running a WooCommerce store. Just only on plugin Store Growth will solve your problem, and you don't need to manage multiple plugins. You don't need to manage multiple licenses. You don't need to pay thousands dollar for your 20 plus plugins. So that's the purpose that Store Growth will solve this main three problem. One is performance, two is managing multiple licenses, and spend $1,000 money. So these are the main three reason. And as well as I have another reason that free plugins like most of the time are like in a dashboard that is very ugly and full of like advertisement with other plugins, or like many more advertisement in their dashboards. But my intention was that I'll create a nice admin panel. There will be no third-party plugins advertisement. It will be very nice, clean, and as well as in 2023, if I just develop a plugin and just I click on a menu and it reloads for a few seconds to load the menu. That's the thing that's why I just developed using the React. So everything will be on the fly. It will be fast and very smooth. So yeah, that was the reason and a few key things behind the Store Growth.
Awesome. And of course, I asked this from every deal partner. How did you come up with the name Store Growth? Like, what was your theory behind it?
Okay, so actually these plugins will help every store owner to boost their conversions, boost their sales. So that's the thing that these plugins will just help a store to grow their revenue. So that's the thing that it works in my mind, that it can be something that is store growth.
Got it. Yeah. And of course, even the name resembles. So yeah, that's an awesome thing. I think that's to one thing, right? It's kind of show people the power of store growth, and by diving into one of the test sites and how it's kind of making your conversions go from, let's say, 5% to 10%, or adding your cart value to, let's say, from $20 to $50. So let's see how it happens from A to Z, and then we go from there with what's next in the journey, and when are more modules getting added. So let's dive into the product.
Okay, awesome. So just let me share my screen.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen.
All right.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome. So, yeah. So first of all, as a user, how he will just get the store growth. So first of all, he will just go to add new plugins, and then he will just search the plugin store growth here. Store growth. Yeah, so I have installed and active the plugin. So just install, as well as I think that everyone will knows that how to install the plugin, and just click here, install and active the plugins. And after installing the plugin, there will be a menu in the dashboard. It is called Store Growth. And here you'll see a dashboard where just a overview, like the documentation on the support you need, the FAQ, that what is sales booster, store growth. So everything will be here, and you'll the initial question answers you'll get from FAQ. And now the most interesting thing, that the modules. So StoreGrowth right now, it offers 8 modules. So you will get all the modules here, and it is very user friendly in sense that you just like, for example, very first, if I start with the fly card, so then click on the fly card. So when just here, very simple, just toggle the button, just that will enable the features, the fly card. And after enabling it, automatically you'll see on the front end there is a fly card in the screen. So first, let me go through the settings of fly cards. So in flycard, you will find here the layout. One is sidecar, another is center pop. So here is the live preview you can see. And in the sidecar, you will get the options like in the cart, what you want to show, what you want to hide. Like, for example, show remove icon, show product image, show quantity pickers. Just all the things are just on click, what you want to show or what you want to hide. For example, you want to show the coupon, you want to just auto open the cart panel when someone add product to cart. So show product image, show remove icon, show quantity picker, show product image, and just save. And now if you want, you can just go to the design tab, and you can just select the appearance of the card icon. If you want, you can just select top right, bottom right, top left, bottom left, center left, center right. These are just like your preference where you want to show your card icon. So right now I'll just keep it here as it is in on the bottom left. And then you can just select the card icon if you want to select another one. And then you can just uh, change the color of the action background color. Like, if I want, I can change another color here, shopping button background color, like this one. Cart icon color, if you want, you can change the cart icon color. widget background color. If you want, you can change the widget background color. Product card background color, if you want, you can change from here. Let me show you here. Yes. So now, based on your branding color, you can just easily create a nice customizable fly card. And now if I just go to front end, you'll see everything is applied here. Now, if I just add any product to cart, you will see that the product is added to cart and that is appeared here. So now, most important thing and here is that that the products checkout is on the same fly. Like you don't need to navigate another checkout page. Just click here. Checkout page will be visible here. So I have selected transparent color. Let me select a deep color here. Maybe. Okay, so just for now, for test purpose, this color. So now,
Yep.
so now, if you just click on the checkout page, you'll notice the checkout form is checkout is here. So you just fill your details and just place your order and just it will be everything. Okay, okay. So now place here the order. So,
So I
okay.
think, I think you need to set up shipping in
Yeah,
the
So yeah.
backend, correct?
Okay, so I think there is just need to setting shipping. So let's avoid that right now to save the time. So that's the process. Just you have to place order or everything. Your user just place everything from the fly card. And what will happen here that most of the time, what happened that when someone click on the cart, add to cart, and it redirects you to the default cart page, and then you go to the checkout page. So there is 3 steps you have to pass to place a order. So that's the reason very often the abandoned cart rate, for example, users might get distraction and they may leave the cart or check out. So Flycart will save from the abandoned cart issues, and it will increase your order values, and users will just enjoy shopping and everything will be on the fly. So Karan, let me show the overview, another modules that is called direct checkout. Direct checkout, just if you see here, just click on the every modules that are not active. Here is another interaction, like click on the navigation menu, and if the modules is not active, it will show you pop up that do you want to active the modules, and just click here, and when the modules is activated, it will redirect you to the modules. And
Got it.
now if I just enable the modules and then save it, and now you'll see that there is a buy now button. So what is the purpose of buy now button? Buy now button is sometimes you might have a products that you want just directly users complete the purchase within one click. So you don't want that user just complete the add to cart and checkout process with 2 or 3 steps. So that's the purpose of buy now button. So here is few other options that like if you want, you can change the add to cart to directly buy now button. Here are options you can navigate when you're using. So right now I'm just showing only on. And the most important thing in direct checkout, and it is valuable option and features that, for example, right now, if you click here, it will just redirect you to the checkout page. That's the fine thing that with on click users can check out. But what happened that if users expect that he want to purchase the product using the fly checkout. So the fly cart checkout is selected and enabled. Now, if you just click on the buy now, and sorry, okay, 1 second. Yes. So now the function was taking time to save. So now it's saved. Now, if someone click on the buy now button, so the interesting thing is that he will not be redirected to the checkout page. So it will saves on a 2 second to loading the page, and everything will be on the fly. And this is the power of the direct checkout. And I think that that's the unique features only you will get in storefront. And now you can just control the locations where you want to show the buy now buttons, like display on the shop page, display on the product page, and as well as here is the live preview. So you can change the color for the button, like you want to change the color, text color, and then you can just change the font size, border radius.
Lot more customizable.
Yeah. Yes.
That's what I even noticed that.
Yes.
Which is good.
Yes. So everything you need here, you will get from this customization options. So you don't need to write any custom CSS to customize this button. Now, I'll just move on the countdown timer. So sales countdown timer is another unique features. Like it has a few others, like someone is just selling this on as a single add-on, but these are in bundle in StoreGrowth. So what happened here, like very often we have noticed that in a product we are just trying to create urgency that this offer is going to end in like that time, within that time, or within that day. So countdown timer actually does this. So everything is here, like you can change the text, and this is the discount. This is a dynamic on, and as how you will say it, everything is like in the documentation and here. So let me show you, and let me show you the navigate panel that you can just change everything for the color, background color as it is. Like you can change from here, border color, everything you need, all the customization you will get from here. Even the text color from here, you can just on by on, you can change different colors for that hour, minutes, seconds, days. Okay. And here's the templates. So if you want, you can choose different templates. Right now we have 2 templates here, but if you are on the development progress, like here will be bulk templates like Christmas, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So like these types of, or Happy New Year, these types of like different templates will add here. So users don't need to create any design. He will just choose a template and he will just navigate from here and just save it. It will just enable the options. So how these options actually work, to enable these options, you have to go to the product page in the admin panel, and select any product that you want to show the options. And here you see in options here, like countdown timer, and you can just set the percent here, and then you can just start the countdown timer when you want to start this countdown time, and then just set the end time, and after that you just save it. And let me visit the product. Okay. Okay, this is the variable product, but we have to select a simple product here. Okay, t-shirt, denim belt, yes. Okay, countdown timer, and let's set the discount here, time. Yes, you see the template we chosen there, and that's a time we have selected there. It is showing like that. as it is coming as a default CSS from the settings. So you have all the options there. So you can just change your layout. You can change the colors based on your brandings. Now I'll just go through the floating bar. Floating bar, one of the most powerful features. Very often we have noticed that the store owners need to uh, show the offers, like he just want to show Christmas offers, he just want to a LTD plan, he just want to show a discount banner. So floating banner actually solve that purpose. So if I just enable and save that, and if I visit the site, I'll see here that there is a banner. So actually here is a control here. So when the banner will load. So right now I'll just set it on second. So it load initially. Yeah, just it has loaded now. So all the controls you need here, you'll get like banner position, top, bottom, banner type, how is the banner type, like sticky, normal, text for the banner, like Christmas offer, or sales ending soon. So the most interesting thing here, all the modules have the live preview. So what you are doing here, it will how it will impact. You can just take from the preview, and so you can easily customize from here. And now you can just select the icons here. You can upload custom icon here, and all the settings you need to create a nice banner. Changing the text for the button, behavior of the close button, where it will redirect you when you click. And you can also show the countdown timer here, that how many times or how many days here for the for your offers. And you can enable the coupon code. You can just get the coupon codes from your database, so you don't need to go to your coupon section to find the coupons. If you have already coupons, you will just search the coupon, and the coupon will be applied here, and just it will just on click copy. And then yeah, the control for the banner, how it will show on the mobile and desktop. And there is a page targeting options, that where you want to show this page and who will be eligible to view these banners, everything. And in the design part, you can just change the banner height. You can change the font size, font family, font size, background color. You can select nice colors as it is what you need. And as well as we have right now one template here, but there will be bulk of template, plenty of templates. So users can select based on his own purpose, like on his demand, like is it Christmas, Happy New Year, Black Monday, Cyber Monday, as it is. So I'm
Correct.
Aaron, am I going a little bit faster, or is it okay?
No, no, it's fine. But I think just what people have had some questions, about these things. So what I would do is I'll just kind of ask two questions, and then we will then move forward with the next modules, right? So we can then be done with this section. So I think one question which someone had was that so does StoreGrowth work with every theme out there? Let's say if someone have Avatar installed, right, like the theme builder, so will it work with the Avatar? Mehdi, you there? I think I lost you.
Okay. So yeah, we're back. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So will it work with the Avatar theme builder?
sorry.
Will StoreGrowth work with any theme out there? Let's say I have Avatar installed, right? Avatar on my WordPress.
Yes, StoreGrowth. We have tested StoreGrowth with most popular 11 themes, and we have also tested with random themes. So StoreGrowth will work with any themes like Astra, Avada, Divi, Storefront, and block themes. So every it will work with all the themes. And now Okay. So let me just turn on the. Okay. Now let me turn on the stock bar modules. So
Sure.
what happens with the stock bar modules? So like you have products, and for example, you know that how many quantity are available in stock. But as a customer, if I just see that all this is a desired product, but it has only 10 in stock. So if I just don't purchase right now, it will be out of stock. So stock bar is something like that that will enable you the stock status, and you will just show your customer. You can create urgency in your customers that he will be in hurry or in urgency that he need to purchase this product before it goes out of stock. So uh, to set up the stock status bar, for example, what you have to do, you have to go to the products and select any products like here, this one, or this one. Let me show anyone here. Belt. Okay. Okay. Now we will just open here. He will get the documentation how to do it. It is very simple. It's instructed here. So no need to worry about that. So just go to the inventory and track the stock quantity, and it's just like how many products in stock you just enable from here, and then just update the product.
Correct. So um, this is
So now,
actually what you add from backend. So I think we can add some, let's say, context to this, that if you're doing this, you should always first of all set up the stock in advance, correct, for this thing to really work, right?
yes,
Before you even go ahead and enable this. Otherwise, you have to go back and work on it. So you have to do double work. So you first go set up the stocks, and whatever
yes,
stock you set, that's dynamically integrated, which means you don't
yes.
need to do it any manual work. Automatically, it will calculate how much stock is really left. So this number is actually the real number.
Yes, yes. So actually, it is a demo shop, but when you are a store owner, when you are just uh, adding a product, and you know the stock, how many available stock you have, and then you are just adding stock for your products. So that will just show the actual stock here. So as it is a demo product, and that's why I had to manually add the stock quantity. But when you are adding a product, then you know that how much quantity you have left, and then you have to just add it there. Okay. Now, if I just go to the another features that is called uh, sales notifications, live sales notifications, and this is the most demanding features now at time. So what it actually how it works and what it does. So sales notification is like create for more urgency. So for example, this is a shop and you are just visiting the shop as a customer, and if you notice that this cap is someone has purchased from my location or near to me, and someone is purchasing, so it will just create trust. And like this product is on demand, and people are buying this. So actually that will happen when you just use the live sales notifications. So to use the live sales notification features, what you have to do, just first you have to enable the pop-up, and then you can just also control the visibility on mobile as well as. And here is available templates, that which templates you want to show here. So right now here is available options, so that which one you select, it will be available on the preview. And
Got
then
it.
you can just uh, do almost all of the controls here. So here is plenty of options, and I think that no need to explain in detail, just control the size, font size, colors, everything is here Karan, do you think I need to explain this?
No, this is very much self-explanatory. So I think
Yeah.
what you can show people is how it's of course going to work in real life and in terms of like on the real store. And I think I would like to say one more thing that every one of these modules is very much customizable, right? To the font size, to stuff like that, which you won't see a lot in many other tools products, right? So that's one thing which is done very well.
Yes. Thank you. So now you have to go to the products, and then you have to select that which products you want to show. If you want to show the latest orders, you can just, like for example, you want actually what is being sold, you want to show that to the customers. Just you have to select the product source. And also here is like if you want to show the external products, like you have a affiliate product that you want to show in your sales notification. If you want to show random products, you can just select from here. And then if you want to select the product source, like latest orders, that I want to show the latest order that has been placed in my store, I would like to show that. Or if you want that, I'll just select the handmade custom chosen products, logo, single album, the almost all the products you can select from here. And then you can just set the name here you want. If you select the latest orders, then it will just take the genuine data from the orders. But if you just select a make you on, then you have to just select the virtual name, like Karan, Charlie, Mehedi, and you can just select the location here. Just uh, all the state or location you want, you can select here. You can set the visibility control where you want to show it here in which pages. And now if I just save it, and also there is the message, how will be the message format, like in the preview. If I just show you here that how it is visible right now, so you can just change the message format. If you don't want to show something, you can just remove from here. And then the loop, then how will be looping time, and how it will interact, and what will be looping time interval, like after how many seconds it will interact. So here you can control from these settings. If I just go to the page and reload the site, after 5 seconds, there will be yeah. So here is the live notification. So if I just click here, uh, then it will not show again. But if I don't click, or the customer don't click here, it will be repeatedly looping here. So if I click here, it will not show anymore with that customer.
Hmm.
After session clear, it is visible again. Okay, now let me show you the last last two, the upsell order bump. Upsell order bump is a magical features that will increase the value for your average orders. So what you need to do here, just you can create a bump list, like name of the order bump for your bump for order bump for phone. And then select bump type, like which type of bump you want to select. Like if you want to select products or categories, you can just select from here. Select target products or categories, like if you add belt in your product cart, and
Hmm. Hmm.
you just add to cart that product, and then which product will be show here. So for example, I can just show here the cap as a bump product, and discount percent, and I'll give 20% discount. So what will happen here, that someone is purchasing belt, and on the checkout, before the checkout button, you will see here that there is cap he might be interested, and here he will get 20% in discount. And now just I'll save that, and the bump is created. And as well as the water bump is same customizable. You can just change the behavior according to your branding color. So I'm not doing that right now, as it will be very easy and handy for you. So now if I just go here, so target product is belt. So if I just come here and select the belt, yes, here is the belt. So now if I just click that product in cart, and now if I go to the checkout, one second, let me just go to the checkout. Maybe I have missed any settings here. One second. Belt, daily, order bump schedule daily, products, solid, everything here. Okay, just one second. Let me clear the card. One second. Might be have missed something because okay, I have cleared the card. Belt, and go to checkout. Order summary. Okay, just let me change one second. Let me change the theme here. If there are any issues here with the theme.
Sure.
2024. Okay, and I have changed the theme here. Unfortunately, might be I have done something wrong, or might be anything is happening right now.
Let's
That's why.
do No worries, let's do one thing. Let's start again. If you want to like reset the settings, and
Yeah.
that may we would catch what was wrong.
Okay. Just let me just
Yeah, take your time. No worries. We have time.
okay. So just let me show you the from bump on, and let me select the cap or sunglass. Let me select the target products and select the offer product cap here, and select the discounts here for like 10%. And then on the design section, like I have to select here anything here, 20% discount for you, 10% off for you, REF, REF, REF. And now I have saved here. So our targeted product is sunglass. So if I go here on the shop page, now let me go to the back to the theme that I was using, and go here.
Sure.
And here is the targeted product, sunglass. Yes. So I have added the product to the cart. And if I just go here, go check out. Oh, that makes sense. What is happening here?
Mm-hmm.
That okay. So yeah, one thing I would like to mention that upsell order bump is right now this is a block. So the checkout page, if you are still using the a new block checkout page, so sometimes it might not work properly. So what you have to do, you have to just use the short code here, checkout, and let me go here, checkout short code. Let me check out. Yes, WooCommerce cart, WooCommerce checkout. Yes, now that makes sense. Okay, so this is on. This is the WooCommerce checkout. So now if I go here, come here, and yes, this is the upsell order bump here. So if you just click on the select, automatically it will just add with your card. So now, that the things that I forgot to mention here. So when you are using a block for your checkout, so sometimes it might not work properly, and we'll investigate the issues and how you can make it compatible with the block checkout block, because it has recently lost. So still it is not being used for most of the sites. So we will just make a passport that. So okay,
Got it.
so now you will see that water bump also working with Flycart with properly. So hope that's the thing. All the audience who will just watch it, that will be clear to them. So that's not a bug. So just need to add the compatibility for the new released blocks by the WooCommerce. So we'll do that, and we'll just make a release when it is compatible with the block checkout. Okay. So now there is the last and final modules we have left. That is called is free shipping bar.
Yep.
So free shipping is the last one. So it is also behave almost like the uh, uh, floating notification bars. Like all the documentation here is given, so it will take a little bit time to set up the shipping conditions and shipping zones. So I'll not go on that part, and all
Mhm.
things are properly documented here and all the things are mentioned here. So I hope it will be easy for the customers or users to utilize it. So it will just give you the shipping conditions, like if you purchase $100, then you will get the free shipping. So like you are just creating some FOMO inside users, that and it will just help to increase the order values. Like someone was going to buy a $50 products, but he has to pay $10 for shipping. But when he is seeing this notice that he
Mhm.
will just get free shipping when he'll just add more $50 or more $20. So thus you can offer more order values for the customers and for the store owners. And the settings is almost like the floating bars. You can set the bar type, this
Mhm.
free shipping type, like a discount amount, free shippings, and also as well as you can set the amount for the free shipping, how much you want to offer. And you can choose the icons here, change the text, and goal completion text, like when someone just complete the goal. So all the things are well documented and well instructed here. So I think that it will be easy for them, and as well as the customization options, that you can change the size for here, the font size, background color, everything will be work properly. So no need to worry. Just there will be proper documentation. So if there are any question, our support is very strong. We are always open. So anytime a customer is out to us, we will just give the proper support. So Karan, that's it from my end. So let
Mhm.
me know if you have any more question or
Got it. And with this free shipping rules, right? So I think some we would also like to kind of differentiate between the free shipping bar or rows, and also the floating bar, right, which is on the top. So I
Yes.
think because what we also use from our side, right? So um, if you have to like use the free shipping rules, you have to make sure that you're adding in the backend that how much after how many dollars that a person can be allowed the free shipping, right? So you have to set all of this in the backend. This
Yes.
is more for like setting up that if you add, let's say, $20 more to your cart,
Yes.
then you would be eligible to get a free shipping, right? So
Exactly.
this everything happens dynamically like other ones, but this one is specifically for free shipping, and not to add the link to any other page, correct?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Good. Okay, so we had few more questions, right? So I'll just kind of go through them quickly. Um, I think when we talk about quick cart, right? So some people had a question that you can just the side card which you had, the card which opens on the side, right? On the bottom right, on the main page. So can you just check out from there, or you need to like go through the whole checkout page, or just check out directly from that bubble?
Yes. You will just yes, you will just you will be able to check out from there, so you don't need to go to checkout page. Like
So
here
let's
is
say this one. Yeah,
yes, here is the cart and here is the checkout. So you click here and checkout page is here. So you have to just fill the details here and just place order from here. So you don't need to
got it,
visit the checkout page.
got it. Okay, and can people use this for the affiliate sites? If they're selling affiliate products, can they use this to create FOMO?
Yes, definitely. So the main advantage of store growth is that like few modules like competitors, they have only developed for page builders like Elementor uh, oriented plugin. But store growth is a standalone plugin. It has its own customization area, own settings area. So it's not dependable for any themes or any page builders. So if you are
Hmm.
using a WordPress and WooCommerce, definitely yes, it will be suitable and comfortable for your site.
Okay. Um, Another one was importing the, let's say we are going on, we have to set up certain rules for certain products, right? As we saw that you can go inside and set it up. So let's say if someone has 1,000 products in their store, right? 1,000 products for which they want to use to growth. Then how can they go and set up like the rules for each one of them, right? I mean, can we do it in bulk, or how does it happen? Let's say if I've added 1,000 products into this.
So which options like for which modules?
Let's say free shipping. I have, let's say, 500 products I want to set free shipping
I
for.
think that free shipping is not don't work like that because for free shipping it doesn't depend on the
Or
products.
let's say the stock bar. Let's say when that's the stock bar, right? We have to set the quantity. So
Okay.
for let's say
Okay.
for 500 products, we need to set the quantity. So how does it work for multiple? Let's say if I have to add it in
Okay.
1,000 products, so they want to be
Okay.
running one at a time. Yeah,
Okay. So that's a good question. And might be we can just think as it is a new features like we can introduce a new features uh, uh, like we can automatically just enable the stock and quantity for the products from our settings
correct.
panel, so users don't need to go and search and add the stock count. So I'll just take a note.
Yeah. Okay, so we can add this in the roadmap. So yeah, that because that might come in, right? People might have big products. I'm sorry, big store with a lot of products. So they might have to do it one by one, right?
Yes.
Makes sense. Um, Let me just go through. And of course, some people always, when they add certain scripts on WordPress, they also always have that uh, paranoia about will it increase the word speed of my site, or the script is very much minimal to like. So how does it operate? Does it take up a lot of your server memory?
Okay. So our site is like store growth is built like that, like it is not loading globally. So which modules is loaded in which page or which sections it will just only loads for that page or that section. And these are like minimized, and as we are using developing admin panel using React, so our build, it is just going to the build version, and it is the minimized build version. You know that build version is very minimized, so it will
Mm.
not impact on the site very much, and it is very lightweight. And my main purpose is that StoreGrowth will help to increase site speed, cause like installing 20 plus plugins and different plugins, different assets, so that you are getting only inside in on plugins, so it will not creating a bad impact on site loading.
Makes sense. All right. Let me just find. Yeah, how would we market different from other products in the market right now? Because there have been you know notification X is present and others. So how would we mark this as different? Is it more, do they have less customization, or are they more expensive, or we are kind of building faster than them? So how would you, kind of differentiate?
Okay. So yeah, Notification X was mainly launched for like their live sales notifications and like stock bar, but for our case, we have just introduced three unique modules like direct checkout, fly cart, upsell order bump. So as well as in our roadmap, we have added a few we have added something that are not available within other competitors like BOGO. BOGO is a
Mm.
something like that. It is very powerful modules and very demanding modules, and we have already developed that modules. It is under review. So maybe within upcoming weeks, when our LTT is running, we will just launch BOGO, as well as we have another modules that is also prepared and ready for release. So we might release in next week. That is called Quick View. So you know that that only the quick view is just charging. Few companies are $100. Few companies are charging $59 only for the quick view. So we are just adding that in our bundle, and also the most of the people are thinking about the uh, adding the values for their orders. So our pipeline there is pre-orders, back orders, and also on-click upsells, cross sales pop up, thank you page cross sell. So these are the things that are very unique, and that is not available in Notification X, and as well as in other competitors that we are going to provide.
Got it. Awesome. That's good to know. Uh, okay. And what are you building next? Let's get people some behind the scenes. What's coming next for store growth? How many more modules are you going to implement? And what feedback have you taken since the launch happened on Rocket Hub? Like what people are saying. So can you let us know what's next for store growth?
Okay. So for store growth, for example, we have gotten few feedbacks, and I have also taken notes, and those are valuable feedbacks. Like we are planning to create multiple sales notification, like users can create multiple sales notification based on his purpose, and creating multiple floating notification bars, creating multiple sales countdown timer, and a few features that are very unique and new, and we're also already we're designing, and we're started development. So these are the new things, and there will be huge changes in upcoming days, and as well as there are our roadmap, what we will do the next that are added in our roadmap. So we'll just work on that roadmap, and within upcoming days, on like month by month, we'll just release new features, and all the store Rocket App audience, they will get the updates through the Rocket App that we have introduced new features, we have launched new modules.
Got it. So what specific modules are you working on?
So right now, we are working like as said, that quick view and BOGO. These two new modules are just being prepared to release in upcoming 2 or 3 weeks, and after that, we are planning to like working on click upsells and uh, that is called pre-orders.
Okay, got it. Awesome. I think that's what we had in the questions, and I think we don't have any questions from the audience right now. But I would say one thing that this is going to be a very important aspect if you are kind of still stuck, not growing your conversion rate or your sales are not coming in on your e-commerce store. So definitely you need to let people know that your stock is ending or your FOMO needs to be created. So you need store growth and it's available for very reasonable price on Rocket Up. So go ahead and grab it while it's still live. And Mehdi, thank you so much for your time. Anything you would like to tell the audience before we wrap up?
Yeah, I'll just request the audience that I am very open, and please share your valuable feedback, because without your feedback, store growth will not grow enough. Because I would like to know that what you are expecting from me and from store growth, and just add in comment or add in feature request, and I'll cordially accept that, and I'll just carefully consider that features, that request, and like I'd like to build a on-to-one relation with with my customers. So I would not like just, I would like to just not just sell the products and go away. I would like to just be very communicative and one-to-one with all my customers, so I can know what they're expecting and what I should provide them. Because if something they buy from me, and definitely they have intention that that will add value to the team, and for sure I would like to make sure that my store growth definitely will add value to their product, to their customers, to their store, and it will increase their sales.
Got it. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. All right. Thank you so much, Mehdi, for your time today, and it was great to have you and everyone who joined. Thank you so much for your time as well. We would of course share this on YouTube, so if you didn't get the time to watch the whole thing, just watch it on YouTube, and we'll see you on the next one. All right. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot, Mehdi, for your time.
awesome. Thank you
Bye.
so much for hosting me. It was really pleasure working and talking to you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.